Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Magbabasa ng ulan. Di na, magbabasa ng ulan. Di na, magbabasa ng ulan.
We were this one day, for a moment in time. If you're determined to leave, girl, I will not stand in your way. I know that you'll be right by mine. You'll always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape
Hey guys, I just want to greet a happy birthday to my brothers Yeye and Yoyoy. Happy 50th birthdays. I wish you good health and more birthdays, and enjoy your day, brothers. Peace out. Happy birthday, Pre Yoyoy and Yeye, and 50 anyos na gid mo, tigulang na gyud. And sa kadagan sa atong memories na naguban ta nila Ryan sa mga Eureka sa basketball treasure moments kayo, treasure memories kayo ang na-experience. And of course sa atong mga anak, friends po sila, and hoping na forever friends. And happy birthday, Usab. Happy New Year, and more success in life. Good health also. Bye-bye.
Mga uncle, happy birthday. 50 years old na day mo. Wala di mo 50, bay. Mura mo mga 60 years old. Debit abay, ay. Dugay na ta, amigo, pre. Nagang kitag nagian. Thank you very much for your friendship, bay, ha. Di ako magsulti dili kung sa magagian nato. Para safe, I have the right to remain silent. Mga pre, kanang I wish you good health. I wish you good relationships, more blessings, more success, peace of mind, peace of heart. I wish you all the things that you want in life. And magkita-kita tapuhon. Maning kamutan yun na ako na makaabot sa inyong birthday. Isang na ako ko'y makaaway. Ampi mo, pre. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ray and Roy, ang pinakagwapong kambal sa balat ng lupa. Okay. So I'm very happy na ang layo na nang naabot nyo in terms of pagsasayaw, hindi ba? So talagang yan ang passion ninyo at hanggang ngayon, yan ang nagbuklod sa inyong dalawa. Masaya ako nakikita yung pagsasama ninyo, ang inyong partnership at ang talagang pagkakaisa nyo pagdating sa pagpapasaya ng tao. So gusto ko lang pasalamatan kayo, syempre, sa lahat ng mga ginawa niyong suporta sa akin, sa aking Tupperware family, simula noon, no, magpahanggang ngayon. And ang nakita ko sa inyo, kahit na sikat na kayo, you remain humble. No? Very, very good yan. No? You stay grounded all the time. At kahit kailan hindi lumaki ang ulo. Kaya pinagdarasal ko kayong lahat, kayong dalawa, na sana ay biyayaan pa kayo ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay, good health, and syempre lakas para ipagpatuloy ang passion ng pagsasayaw. At sana'y marami pa kayong mapasayang mga tao. Maraming salamat ulit, and I wish you all the best, not only in 2026 but for all the years to come. May God bless you forever. I love you, Ray. I love you, Roy. Okay? All the best.
Hello, Yeye and Yoyoy. It is your special big day. And I wish you all the best in life. And may the Lord continue to shower His favors to both of you. More blessings, happiness with your family and friends. And of course, good health always. Just enjoy your big day. And welcome to your golden era. Happy birthday. God bless you both.
Roy o Gray Manso, sa tinuod lang rin, maraganina lang yung ko sige balik-balik o kana bitong tanaw sa kong kaugalingon nga mag-video bitaw o kanang makita ni mong sarili bitaw unya usay manlibog na ko unsa akong i-istorya. So siguro di na lang siguro ko ganina pa ko sige replay, ganina na po ko sige review sa kong kaugalingon nga ginastorya. So daghan ta kay kog i-share para sa inyo ha, no? Pero anyway, sa talent na istoryahan, basketball naamo. So diha punta unang nagkailaw nakasinati gyud sa pagpasa sa basketball. Nalipay jud ko mong duha nga nakauban ta mo kay perminti gyud mo makakita o pasahan, no? Kanang dili lang na siya pagpasa ba kana bitong mag-share sa inyong talent, no? Kay makakita man mo tao kinsa tong nanginhanglan, no? Ikaduha, sa inyong pagsayaw, ang pagtudlo niyo sa iyong sayaw, daghan pud mo na tudloan, no? Nabisan pa ang dili gyud tanan mga dancer nga butan nga puyuban nga gahi jug ulo, pero at least masabtan gyapon ninyo sila. So ikatulo, nakita po na ako sa inyo ang inyong pagdala sa inyong pamilya. Makuno na yung sa inyong kanya-kanyang pamilya. So kung namoy talent sa basketball, namoy talent sa pagsayaw, kadang duha may isa ra po na siya nga talent po sa pagdala sa inyong pamilya. So siguro mao naman lang yun na ang atong kinabuhi. Sige lang tag dugang og edad hopefully nga maabot gyud tag 80 to 90, no? At least kung 92 batch 92 man ta, 92 years old gyud ta taman, no? Unta makaabotan ang idara. So sa inyong duha, Roy o Gray Manso, happy birthday.
Hello! Happy 50th birthday, Yoyoy and Yeye! Wish na ako sa inyo good health, kay sige baya gapon magsayaw, so kinahanglan nato ang good health, diba? And more birthdays to come. So 50 na gyud ta, mao na gyud nga tinuod na life. Ako anong ma-remember sa inyong duha is friends na gyud ta since mga 13 years old o 14 years old, wa pa mo sa Matina High School. Magkaila na gyud ta kay na obsessed mi sa inyong basketball. So kung ka-remember mo sa DJMB, So kami itong magsigig, tanaw sa inyo ha, magsigig palakpak sa inyong basketball sa una. So kato lang, happy birthday Kambal!
Happy birthday mga energetic and golden boy, Yuyoy and Yeye. God bless you always. More project, more rocket to come. May God add many more years of happiness and good health to your life. Happy birthday. Have a blessed day. Enjoy lang ta sa atong life.
Happy birthday, Kambal, Yoyoy and Yeye. Happy 50th and Happy New Year sa inyong duha. Palayan sa paglambo, guys.
Partner, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yoy. Happy birthday, Ye. I wish you have more birthdays to come and still continue your goal and make us inspired sa inyong ginabuhat. And we are so proud na you are batch 92 and you're part of our journey as well as a group mate. I mean as a batchmate. And thank you for everything. Also na every time we have a contest, you're there in support. And more blessing to come. And still young, welcome to the club. You're 50 years old, but still kicking. Thank you guys, and more blessing to come.
Friend, Yoyoy and Yeye, happy golden na kay 50 anyos sa mga kuya. Anyways, happy birthday and hopefully magpupa na punta ninyo po and enjoy sa inyong birthday mga kuya Yoyoy and Yeye. And Happy New Year!
Happy birthday, Master Yeye!
Happy birthday, Master Yeye! We love you!
Hi, Pads Yeye. On your special day, I'm wishing you long life, good health, love, happiness, and more success to come. Happy birthday, and also to Yoyoy. Hi, Sir Ye, happy birthday. Hello, Sir Ye, happy birthday. Hi, Sir, happy birthday, more years to come. Hi, Sir, happy birthday, Morky Eye. May your birthday brings you as much happiness as you give to everyone who knows you. Happy birthday from Team Balangka!
Hi, Master Yeye. Happy 50th golden birthday. Thank you for keeping our energy high and keep on dancing. May your day be as amazing as your dance moves, full of good health and with great music. I may not be around on your birthday, but I prepared a dance for you. Hope you like it, Master. Again, happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, Master Yeye and Yoyoy!
Wishing a very happy birthday to our incredible coach and friend who inspire us to be healthier and happier every day. Thank you for the energy, the motivation and joy you bring to our Zumba family. May your birthday be as wonderful as the impact you have on us. Enjoy your day, Coach, and God bless you always. See you next week. Happy New Year to you and your family. Bye, Coach. Happiest birthday.
Hi, Coach Yeye.
Happiest golden birthday nimo og sa imong kambal. Wish you many more years to celebrate. Stay humble, stay passionate to your fashion as a content creator since to your Zumba student. God bless you, Coach Yeye and family.
Happy 50th birthday, Master. It's another day to be thankful for the many things God faithfully provided you with the strength and skills you needed in this world.
Hi, Coach Yeye. Happy birthday. May God give you many more years, happiness of your life. More, always good health. More blessings with your family. And more Zumba to come. Always happy. Enjoy your day. And again, have a blessed birthday and Happy New Year!
3. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy golden birthday, Yuyoy and Yeye!
May you have birthdays to come. Wish namo ang inyong good health of prosperity. Yay!
Yuyoy and Yeye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa Yeye. Wish you good luck and good health. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle Yoyoy and Uncle Yeye. Wish you all the best, good health, and enjoy your day. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy birthday, mga kuya. Hope you have a blast today. Happy birthday, Tito Yoyo and Tito Yaya.
Hi, Papas! Happy 50th birthday! Happy birthday, Papa Yoyoy! Happy birthday, Papa Yeye! I wish you a happy, enjoy, healthy life, and make sure to take good care of your health. Enjoy your day. I miss you, and I'll see you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Papa Yoyoy and Papa Yeye. It's your 50th birthday now. And I just want you to know that I'm very grateful for both of you and all the love and support you have given in our family. I'm only wishing for you both is to have good health and many more wonderful years to come by. And may this milestone year of yours will bring more joy and more blessings in every part of your life. So once again, happy birthday, Papa Yoyoy and Papa Yeye.
Happy birthday, Pa og Papa Yoyoy. I hope you enjoy your day. I really wish I was there. And wish you all the best and good health. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
There you go. Happy birthday, Papa and Papa Yoyoy! I hope you enjoy your day and we love you so much, guys.
Happy birthday! Hello! Kumusta kayo dyan? Happy birthday sa inyo, Yoyo Yeye! And hope enjoy yung party nyo. Kami din dito, diri. Okay naman. Nag-celebrate din mi diri. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, birthday to you. Ang wish ko na maghinahinay unta sa panigarilyo para ma-stop na, and good health this year. Fight lang. Okay? Bye!
Happy birthday, Yam and Yeye. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you good health. Mag-successful mo sa inyong mga lahing mga karera sa kinabuhi. Be happy all the time. Wish you, Yam, kabulo na ka, o siya akong wish sa imuha. para dili ko magyaw-yaw tibuok to eh. Love you both. Happy birthday.
Hi, surprise! Happy birthday, Yeye Mango. Happy 50th birthday. Sa Google na natong uban, 5 years na nagka-uyab, 3 years na nag-live-in, and 22 years na ninyo. So, dagko na itong mga anak. So, dagko na pagsalig sa inyo, ha? Ping kanunay sa imong lawas, kay imong edad, nagkataas na. So, itaw, amping kanunay, nalang ni diri sa imong mga anak, andam kanunay mo, tabang kanimo, no matter what happen, palangga ka na mo, mahal ka na mo. I love you.
Hello everyone, to our visitors. Thank you for coming to join us celebrating the birthday of my kambal, Yeye and Yoyoy. And to you, Yeye and Yoyoy, I wish you more blessings and always good health. I know that both of you are good person. So, I pray to God that what you are now will be the same in the future. I love you, Kambal. And again, to our visitors, thank you for coming. I hope that everybody will enjoy. Happy New Year. Thank you.